The lady from Uncle. The lady.
Hi, today I want to take a look at a new initiative that YouTube have just launched in the last week, and that is a pilot program to allow users who have been suspended from YouTube for having terminated YouTube channels to request a new YouTube channel, basically a fresh start at YouTube. And for me, this is really exciting because I did a whole series of videos on the reasons why YouTube channels are terminated and what the consequences of not being able to appeal them, or basically appeals being unsuccessful, are for the users. Basically, if you have a terminated YouTube channel and you cannot appeal it and you cannot get it reinstated, your time at YouTube is over. You'll have to go elsewhere or be okay with using YouTube without having a YouTube channel. You certainly cannot have another YouTube channel to create more content. So this is an opportunity. It's basically allowing users for a do-over, to start afresh. Now, why is YouTube introducing it? And it is precisely the reasons that I've quoted. But something that we maybe don't think about too often is that, let's say that 10 years ago your YouTube channel was terminated for a policy which has been retired from YouTube. So that policy was in place 10 years ago, but today in 2025 it's no longer applicable. So YouTube think it might be okay for you to have a do-over. The people who can't have a do-over are the ones who have had YouTube channels terminated for something like child safety or copyright infringement. Those are not issues that YouTube can change policy on because copyright is a law. So YouTube cannot allow these people to start over. So who is actually included? Well, it's more a case of who's not included. And if you have a look at creator responsibility policies, you'll see who exactly won't be able to apply. Note also that creators who have deleted their YouTube channels, thinking that that would somehow, remove the fact that that YouTube channel has been terminated, or even deleted their Google accounts, these users will not be able to apply for a new YouTube channel. And that is simply because by deleting the YouTube channel and or the Google account, there is nothing for YouTube to check to see whether it would be okay to let them back onto YouTube. So it is always a good idea not to delete a YouTube channel. So how will you know that you're actually included in the pilot program? Well, the best thing you can do is sign into the Google account with which you own the terminated YouTube channel and go to YouTube Studio. And if you see the option there to basically have a review of your situation, then you are eligible. And if you don't see request new channel option, that suggests that either your YouTube channel hasn't been terminated for a full year yet. So in other words, if your YouTube channel was terminated, say at Christmas 2024, then a whole year hasn't passed yet, so you won't be able to apply for a new channel. Or it may be that your YouTube channel is terminated for copyright infringement or child endangerment. Whatever it is, it could be that the original reason for termination is not one that qualifies you for a new YouTube channel. But don't forget, you can still appeal the original channel termination. And if you click on this link, it'll take you to the article about appealing. What happens after you request a new channel? Well, YouTube will actually look at the whole history between you and them, and how you used your YouTube channel, and they will then make a decision as to whether it is safe or it is a good idea to let you back onto YouTube. And what happens after your request is approved, hopefully it is, well, you're basically starting anew. So it would be a brand new YouTube channel with the current date, and you would be starting from scratch with new subscribers as you create new content and hopefully abiding by YouTube policy. So do have a read of this. It's quite detailed. There is also a blog which I will link for you in the video description below, which expands a little bit on the various reasons and how this will work, and also making sure that you understand that, things that you might be interested in, like monetization, that is something that you're basically starting new. So put aside everything that you think you know about having a YouTube channel and start from scratch and just make sure that you get it right this time. Hopefully that helps you. Thank you for listening and goodbye.